Is your Audi Q6's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. False alarms in the Q6 often stem from a faulty hood switch or overly sensitive alarm settings. The hood switch detects if the hood is opened. It can malfunction due to corrosion or loose wiring, falsely triggering the alarm. Alarm sensitivity, if set too high, can be triggered by minor vibrations or environmental factors. Recent software updates, like version 2.4 released in early 2025, have addressed some of these issues by recalibrating sensors. If your Q6 is experiencing frequent false alarms, a good first step is to ensure your software is up to date. First, inspect the hood switch for any signs of corrosion or damage. You can test its functionality using a multimeter. If faulty, replacement costs range from $50 to $150 for the part, plus labor. Next, try resetting the alarm's sensitivity. Access the vehicle settings through your MMI touchscreen. Navigate to Vehicle, Security, Alarm System, and look for options like Reset Sensitivity or Recalibrate Sensors. This process may take a few minutes. If these steps don't resolve the problem, consider a visit to your Audi dealership for a more in-depth diagnostic check, especially if your vehicle is still under warranty. Remember that Audi has expanded warranty coverage for electrical components to 5 years, 60,000 miles.